Have you ever laughed at a meme so hard that you huffed coffee out of your nose? We all have been there. But the real question is, can you copyright a meme? And if you can, then who's the rightful owner? Is it the person who clicked the original photo, or the guy who added Cosmic Sans font based text on the top, or the brand that reposted it with hashtag? Hi, I'm Neelam Kejriwal from the Legal School, and today we are diving deep into the law liverse to understand free speech, fair use, and how Indian copyright law is trying to keep up with the internet culture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon unless your meme game is stronger than your attention span. So let's go. A meme isn't just a funny image with text written on it. Legally speaking, a meme can be considered a derivative work, that is, a transformation of an existing copyrighted work like a photo, movie still, or artwork. Think of the distracted person's meme. Here the original photo is copyrighted, but what about every version of that meme floating around? Technically, it is a modified version which might violate copyright if done without permission. So yes, memes are funny, but from a copyright lens, they are also legal landmines. In India, copyright is governed by Copyright Act 1957. The creator of an original work gets exclusive right to reproduce, adapt, publish, etc. But here's where it gets really interesting. Section 52 of the Act provides certain exceptions, like fair dealing for criticism, review, reporting current events, education, and research. So, is your meme fair dealing, or are you just being a funny pirate? If a meme comment on or criticizes a public event, politician, or celebrity, you might be safe under fair dealing. But when you slap brand logos on it and monetize it, that's a real legal red flag. Let's break it down further. A meme could involve the original photographer or filmmaker who is the original content creator, the meme maker who added the text and gave it a twist, the platform like Instagram, Reddit, where it goes viral, and sometimes the meme subject. Think of Success Kid or Grumpy Cat, actual people or pets. And yes, even memers can sue. Do you remember the Success Kid meme? His mom sued brands that use the image without permission. So the bottom line is, memes are a creative remix, but copyright law still wants to know who pressed play first. Let's look at some real cases. In the US, Warner Brothers sent a takedown notice for Batman slapping Robin meme being misused commercially. In India, legal action has been taken against meme pages using movie stills without licensing. And yes, Netflix has trolled back when people misuses their IP. Also, Indian meme creators have started watermarking their logos for legal attribution rights under moral rights doctrine. This helps the creators claim authorship rights over their work or creation. Now let's settle the age-old fight. It's just a meme, bro, versus that's my content. Under fair dealing, if your meme is not used commercially or comments on the original or doesn't harm the creator's market, you are probably safe. But the moment it's branded, monetized, or reproduced without transformation, you are on shaky ground. So yeah, if you are making meme just for fun, you are likely safe. But if your meme has an AdSense ID attached, you better lawyer up. But if you want to stay legally awake and funny, here is your crash course in Meme Law 101. Use content from the public domain or licensed under Creative Commons. Add your own twist, maybe a commentary, a satire, or a transformation. Don't monetize meme based on copyrighted media. Avoid using images of private individuals without consent. After all, they have personality rights. When in doubt, credit the source, or better to create your own original meme. Remember, even jokes need disclaimer in the age of digital lawyering. So the next time someone says it's just a meme, bro, you can say yes, but does it play by the Indian copyright law? Meme are modern day political cartoons which are hilarious, bold and go viral, but they are not above the law. If you found this video helpful, funny or just legally enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe and share it with your memer friends before they get sued.